In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a map in Excalidraw. We'll start from a blank canvas and turn a simple idea into a clean, diagram-style map using Excalidraw's text-to-diagram feature. By the end, you'll have a clear layout you can tweak to match exactly what you need. First, head to excalidraw.com. When the page loads, you'll see a blank whiteboard-style workspace. If you don't have any pre-made content, don't worry. That empty canvas is exactly what we want. Think of it as your digital sketchpad where everything will appear. Next, click on More Tools. Depending on your screen size, this may be in the side toolbar or tucked into an overflow menu, but it's clearly labeled. This expands a set of helpers that go beyond the basic drawing shapes. From there, choose Text to Diagram. This is the feature that converts a written prompt into a structured diagram. It's perfect for maps because you can describe areas, connections, or regions in plain language and let Excalidraw do the initial layout for you. Now type in your prompt. Be specific and concise. For a map, include your main locations and how they relate. For example, mention key areas, how they connect, and any simple hierarchy like north of, connected by a road, or grouped into a district. Short sentences or a quick list in your prompt can help the tool understand the structure. Avoid sensitive information and keep it focused on the layout, not fine design details. Click Generate. Excalidraw will interpret your prompt and create a draft diagram. Give it a moment to process. If the preview isn't quite right, refine your wording and generate again until the structure matches your idea. Small tweaks in phrasing can make a big difference in the results. When you're happy with the preview, click Insert. The generated map will be placed onto your canvas as editable shapes, labels, and connectors. This is your starting point, not the final product. Finally, edit it to fit your vision. Drag locations into better positions, rename labels for clarity, and adjust colors to group related areas. Use connectors or arrows to represent roads or links, and change line styles to indicate different types of paths. Resize shapes for emphasis, align items so the layout reads left to right or top to bottom, and group elements you want to move together. If something feels crowded, zoom out, spread items evenly, and use alignment guides to keep things tidy. Remember, you can undo any change, nudge elements with arrow keys for precision, and duplicate shapes to keep styles consistent. That's it. Your map is built, placed, and polished inside Excalidraw.